everyone, BOSeTAMPER here. I'm going to show you some of the first steps that you want to follow once you get your tamper in the mail. So, if you open this box, you're going to realize that there is actually a QR code right there, and you're going to want to scan that, and it leads you to a quick start guide and to our website. So once you open that, you're going to see this site. If you scroll down, it shows you all the steps that you're going to want to follow. So the first thing is charging, and the BOSeTAMPERs will not come charged. So you're going to take the tamper out of the box, and depending on which charge you have, your tamper might be charged differently. It might be charged with the battery on top with the BOSeTAMPER facing up, or the battery on the bottom with the BOSeTAMPER facing downwards. You just want this rechargeable battery to be facing the battery pack. So the next step would be turning it on, and the on button is actually this button at the bottom. It's much easier to see it on the clear model because you can see where the sensors are. So once you see that logo, that means you're good to go and your BOSeTAMPER is on and working. So when you start and get your BOSeTAMPER, you want to calibrate it to your certain portafilter. So we're just going to hold down on the left button until you see the screen change. So it says detach portafilter, which basically means just put the BOSeTAMPER on top, and then you're going to click the left button once again, and it should say attach portafilter. And you're just going to twist it clockwise, which is attach, and then click next. So then you have to set the hysteresis, and we just like to keep it at 85. And you're doing all of this with the BOSeTAMPER set on the portafilter. And then 85, long hold. Dwelling time, we like to keep it at 0 for if you're using like busy use, and that's most efficient. And then again, long hold, left button. Set tamper speed, we have fast, medium, and low, but we like fast. Once again, long hold. And then set tamper number, that's the amount of tamps you get in one twist. So we do 1, but it can go to 2. Yeah. 1 long hold, and then you're back to this screen. So that's how you know the calibration is finished, and it works. So the next step would to be adjusting the depth. So we see that this is at 16, but normally we keep it at 15. Or somewhere around there. 15 is for 18 grams of coffee beans, but you can change it depending on how many beans you like to put and if you do like a double shot. So you can use this button to go higher and this button to go lower, and we go up to 20 and lowest is 1. Okay. So let's say that you've been using your BOSeTAMPER a lot today and you realize that it's getting really dirty. So we actually have 2 ways that you're going to be able to clean this. So let's turn it back on. See the logo, you're all good. And then we're going to press on the right button until you see cleaning mode. So you're just going to press this button once more, and you see that this extends. So you can take any brush and wipe. Once you see that you're done, you're going to press return and this button again, and it goes back in. If you want to do a deeper clean or something, you can screw this off, twisting counterclockwise. Detach it, and you're going to be able to clean more thoroughly. So just be careful by using this method. You're not cross-threading the plastic. So you're just going to try to place it on, and don't force anything, but it should just go on as simple as that. So those are all the basic steps that you should be using when you first get your BOSeTAMPER. Thanks for watching.